Welcome to the majestic beauty of Sariaya, a charming small town embraced by the towering presence of the legendary Mount Banahaw. From the skies, witness breathtaking views of lush green fields, vibrant farmlands, and the serene coastline that tells stories of rich agriculture and timeless tradition. Glide over the heart of the old town, where century-old ancestral houses and historic landmarks proudly showcase Sariaya's heritage and culture. Feel the warmth of its people, whose smiles are as bright as the morning sun, and whose hearts remain deeply connected to nature and community. This is Sariaya, where history, beauty, and life harmoniously come together beneath the watchful gaze of Mount Banahaw.